Hi everyone, today I want to talk to you about implant overdentures. So for all those patients that are currently wearing dentures, you might be tired of wearing denture glue, you probably have a very restricted diet and might even have some phonetics, like maybe you have a hard time speaking with your dentures. Well, I have good news for you. There's a treatment called implant overdentures, and basically what it is says that your denture is secured by implants. It can be anywhere from 2 or 4 implants, and this way you achieve a better retention and stability of that denture, so you no longer have to wear any denture glue. You have more freedom of foods you can eat, and you won't be worried about having that embarrassing moment where your denture might just fall off when you're speaking or laughing, right? We've seen some videos on that, so hopefully it won't be your case. Now, the other advantage of having this type of denture is that you're able to remove it yourself at home. So you can just take it off, clean it off at home. So patients with this treatment tend to have a better hygiene as opposed to other prosthesis fixed implant options. And then also it can be a little less expensive than the other options that we have. Now, as with other implants, we know the benefits is that you're not gonna get further bone loss, right? Because we know whenever you lose a tooth that those bone cells stop stimulating, and then you get that bone loss or that bone shrinkage. So with having your denture supported by implants, you're gonna even prevent that further bone loss, which is very, very common with traditional dentures. In a matter of 10 years, you might just lose all the support that you have for that denture, and then it's when patients start having more trouble having those dentures stay in place. Let me know if you have any questions. We have free complimentary consultations right now for implants, so let me know. I look forward to meeting you. Thank you.